Satan's activity in the fallen world. In what way does Satan exercise control over the fallen world? Even Satan, who is the prince of this world, can perform evil actions only when he finds a person with whom he has a basis of evil in common. Satan spiritually influences evil men who are already dead, and who live in spirit in his hell. These in turn seek a common, evil base with men who live physically on earth. These people on earth then, influenced spiritually, evilly by Satan, his evil angels and the evil people in hell, if they accept the influence, then substantialize it, through evil actions with their physical bodies, against themselves, other people, animals, nature, etc. Consequently, Satan's power is substantially manifested, in humans on earth, through his direct influence, that is evil angels and dead people living in his hell. Moreover, since Satan is an archangel, he can manifest himself transcending time and space as long as he finds common ground with people in every age and social situation. When the Bible, in Luke 22:3, says that Satan entered Judas Iscariot, it means that by establishing a common spiritual base and having a relationship with Satan, Judas became his main instrument, and Satan then led him to betray Jesus to have him arrested and crucified. To restore the kingdom of heaven on earth and to create the world of God's ideal of creation means to build a world in which Satan cannot possibly find a single person to carry out, through her, his murders and wickedness on earth, and multiply his evil. To accomplish this, each person must completely eliminate his or her spiritual relationship with Satan, accepting the returning Messiah, living in accordance with the new revelations of spiritual guidance that God gives us through the Messiah, and restore the original relationship that Adam and Eve destroyed in the Garden of Eden, responding to God alone, and living in accordance with his viewpoint. Not doing this already automatically creates a basis, directly or indirectly, for Satan to have the power to influence us personally and individually on earth, and make us live in accordance with his evil viewpoint.